Unless you need something else.
Yabba dabba BevFluence.
Hi everyone, happy Halloween. Much love to you from the BevFluence crew and the Swig and Ramble crew. I am here with Nicole. You are dressed as a Playboy bunny?
No. Not at all.
Okay,
Nope.
cool. Sweet. I am the, what am I? The king of cocktails. Actually, there's another guy who's the cocktail king, King Cocktail. So I'm actually George III. I will be taking America back. You're welcome. Sweet. So we're going to be doing some cocktails here today, Halloween-y cocktails. I'm going to put this down because it's not going to help. What are we making, Nicole?
We're making an Autumn Spiced gin. Is that what you told me? Or bourbon?
An Autumn Spiced Bourbon. So fall, bourbon, autumn, football, America. These things are deeply ingrained in us. So we're going to start with a little bit of toasted marshmallow Amoretti syrup.
Sounds like fall.
Yeah. Just a tiny bit over the ice, right into the shaker. Next, we're going to add a little bit of our root beer because that sarsaparilla quality from Amoretti, it's going to give us that sort of fall autumn spice that we're looking for. So, splash of Bold Rock out of Nelson County. Little bourbon there, a couple of ounces, more than a couple of ounces, whatever you want. Because we're here in San Diego, we have this amazing Raging in Cider distilled cider brandy. This is their experimental brandy out of San Diego Distillery. Thank you, Ryan. Splash of that. We've got our glass. Now you really want this glass chilled if you can. A lot of places have, like, you know, unless you're at a bar, you're probably not going to have a glass chiller at home, or unless you're a geek like me. My wife won't let me have one. But anyway. So, let's shake it up. Yeah. A really big shake.
Oh, why did my shadow
It's
scare
going to go right on me.
No, it's legit spilling. I knew I felt it. It's raining a little bit.
Oh, you were right. This is not a good seal. I'm going to tap that down. Tap that out.
Give it a little tacky.
And three minutes later,
Slowest pour ever.
That is a beautiful looking cocktail. Because it's autumn, I'm going to go with a little apple wedge. You get to try it first.
Okay. Oh,
Oh,
I killed the apple.
Let's kill the apple.
Smells strong. It's not bad.
You made it.
Can't really taste the marshmallow though. I can
You know
taste
what?
the root beer.
I get the root beer on the nose.
Root beer's there. Yep.
And I get a tiny bit of the marshmallow. The bourbon comes through really well. So
the marshmallow hits after.
it does.
Now it just
lushy.
hit,
Yeah, this is like a s'mores cocktail almost. This is really good.
It tastes like a root beer float, honestly.
It does. We should share this with our
yeah.
friend Violet.
Violet would like to try it.
Swig and Ramble co-host. Come on in here, Violet.
I've got to try this one.
It's a little root beer floatish.
All right.
At the end, not at the beginning.
All right. All right. Yeah, definitely. It takes a second. Like that marshmallow
It
does
comes
take a minute
through
to
eventually.
peek in,
Yeah.
and then it's.
I like it though. It's good.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Great.
Yeah. Cheers.
Happy Halloween.
Yep.